Hey food lovers, welcome back to another delicious episode. Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect Cornish game hens with garlic and rosemary. These little birds are packed with flavor and are sure to impress your guests. This dish is perfect for special occasions and it's super easy to make. Whether it's a holiday feast or a romantic dinner, these hens will be the star of the show. So let's get started. Roll up your sleeves and get ready to cook something amazing. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 4 Cornish hens, 3 tablespoons olive oil divided. Olive oil adds a beautiful richness to the hens. Salt and pepper to taste. These basic seasonings will enhance the natural flavors. 1 lemon quartered. The lemon will add a zesty freshness. 8 sprigs fresh rosemary divided. Rosemary is the perfect herb for this dish. 24 cloves garlic. Yes, you heard that right. The garlic will roast to a sweet perfection. 1/3 cup white wine. This will add a lovely depth of flavor. 1/3 cup low-sodium chicken broth. This will keep the hens moist and flavorful. Alright, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. This high heat will help to crisp up the skin. Now rub the hens with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and season them lightly with salt and pepper. Make sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. Stuff each hen with a lemon quarter and a sprig of rosemary. This will infuse the meat with incredible flavor. Place the hens in a large roasting pan and arrange the garlic cloves around them. The garlic will roast alongside the hens, becoming soft and caramelized. Roast the hens in the preheated oven for 25 minutes. This initial high heat will start to crisp up the skin. While they're roasting, whisk together the wine, chicken broth, and the remaining 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a small bowl. This mixture will add moisture and flavor to the hens. After 25 minutes, take the hens out of the oven and reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This lower heat will ensure the meat stays juicy. Pour the wine mixture over the hens and continue roasting. This will create a delicious sauce as it cooks. Make sure to baste the hens with the pan juices every 10 minutes. This will keep the meat moist and flavorful. Roast until they're golden brown and the juices run clear, which should take about another 25 minutes. The skin should be crispy and the meat tender. You can check the doneness with an instant red thermometer. It should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius near the bone. This ensures the meat is cooked through. Once the hens are done, transfer them to a platter and pour any cavity juices into the roasting pan. These juices are packed with flavor. Discard the lemon and rosemary from the cavities and tent the hens with aluminum foil to keep them warm. This will also allow the juices to redistribute. Now, transfer the pan juices and garlic cloves to a medium saucepan and boil until they're reduced to a sauce consistency, about 6 minutes. This sauce will be rich and flavorful. Finally, spoon the sauce and roasted garlic over the hens, garnish with the remaining rosemary sprigs, and serve. The presentation will be stunning. And there you have it, a beautiful and delicious dish that's sure to impress. Perfect Cornish game hens with garlic and rosemary. The flavors are out of this world. Serve it with some crusty garlic bread and a nice light Chianti wine, and you're all set for a fantastic meal. The bread will soak up all those delicious juices. If you love this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. See you next time with another delicious recipe.